tired of hidden fees and confusing processes when sending money abroad? Let's dive into Wise, your go-to for smarter international money. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is revolutionizing how we handle international money. Transfers. The core of their appeal lies in two key areas: incredibly low fees and refreshingly transparent exchange rates. Forget those hefty markups you get from traditional banks. Wise shows you exactly what you'll pay up front, and it's almost always significantly cheaper. This makes it a favorite for anyone needing to send or receive money across borders, whether for personal reasons, business, or supporting loved ones. Let's see how easy it is to get started. First, head to the Wise website or download their user-friendly app. Once you're in, you'll want to initiate a transfer. You'll simply enter the amount you wish to send and select the currencies involved. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. This includes their name, bank name, and account information. Wise guides you through this step-by-step, ensuring accuracy. This is where Wise truly shines. Before you confirm anything, you'll see a precise breakdown of your transfer. This includes the exact amount the recipient will get, the fee Wise charges, and most importantly, the real mid-market exchange rate they're using. Compare this to the hidden charges and less favorable rates you might encounter elsewhere, and the difference is clear. Once you've confirmed and funded your transfer, often through a bank transfer or debit card, you're done. Wise will keep you updated every step of the way until the money arrives. Receiving money is just as simple. You'll get a notification once the funds are in your Wise account, with multiple options to withdraw them to your local bank account. So, for fast, secure, and budget-friendly international money transfers, Wise is definitely worth exploring. Give it a try for your next international transaction.